Publish Bunifigro, result Kabade Jonka JDA for the post of Junior Account Assistant under the Administrative Control of the Director of Account and Treasuries, Meghalaya, September 2023. Promote back advertisement Kapanbi who are apply. Held on 5 and 6 December, exam Gande 5 and 6 December, Kipanlong Arjar is hereby declared. The candidate bearing the following roll number are declared to have qualified for the personal interview. Yakane lapan mi shipho tarik ma. Tikini ki roll number hapo la qualify nam taka personal interview. Sau lai pra san we are lusan san ru nyon riu nai non riu nai len riu we are non riu we lai nyu lai we lai nai we lai nai pra ter hadu nyo pra not are. Tikini boro kilon kumba. Tikini boro kilon kumba sau punriu ngut Kiba qualify nam taka nek exam but kin poishaka interview. The personal interview which will be held on 6, 7 and 8 May 2025 at 10:30 am in the office of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission. Candidate bearing the above roll number are to download their intimation letter from the commission website. All the best nam ta kine baro sau punrungut. Tengah ni kulis bun.